Jsport Autoworks and Racing. Find us on Facebook. Jsport, because we build sexy things. Okay, we've got a 2005 Audi S4 about ready to do exhaust on. We're going to do a before and after. So this is stock exhaust. Rev up. Exhaust flyby. Okay, so this is stock exhaust in car with all four windows down. Okay, this is in car stock exhaust with all windows up. Stock exhaust. Very restrictive right here. You can see it comes under the axle. It's pinched right here quite a bit. Stock, it's a little over 2-inch. It's in metric size. Some big old cats. It goes way up into that mysterious hole up there. Alright, here's the bottom of the S4. There's the headers where the downpipes are going to attach to. So you got the transmission lowered, not a whole lot of room up in there, but we'll get it made, make it happen. Alright, here they are. Tucked up in there. Transmission's still down. Coming back. Nice dual downpipes. No kitty cats. Stuffed up in there. All this room right here will be gone once the transmission goes up. Yeah. Okay, finished exhaust, downpipes, coming into flexes, band clamps to get it apart later. It's not fully welded. Into an H pipe. Or X pipe. It's actually X pipe, sorry. Coming all the way back, 2.5. Into some resonators. Straight through. There you go. Sounds awesome. Check it out on the next part of this video. The running, the flyby, and the in-car. Okay, so here we are after doing the exhaust. Full 2.5 inch from the header back. Straight downpipes, flexes to X pipe, resonators, and some secret sauce mufflers. Let's hear it. Okay, here we are, modified exhaust, in car with all windows down. Okay, here we are, all windows up. And when you're cruising freeway speeds or any speeds, No droning, no excessive noise inside the cab. Cruising just like an S4 should.